Modifying dimensional constraints. If I want to modify a dimensional constraint, the easiest way is just to double click right on the constraint and change that value. And I can change it to any value I want. So if I want to go to a 1.0, hit enter and I've changed it. Okay. Another way is to pick on a dimensional constraint, right click, and then say edit constraint. And then they'll bring up the editor and I can say 0.75 and I can hit enter. Yet another way is to pick on a dimensional constraint, right click, and go to properties. And in properties I have the expression, so I can change the expression if I wanted to. I could say it's the length divided by, etc. Or I can just come and change the value if I want. So depending on what this is, I can change the name. If I want to go into length type thing, I can just give it a different length. Okay. And so the expression, I can change the expression to say 1.0. And now I end up changing it. So I have three different ways of changing it here. I can come in and say it's double clicking. I can click on it and right click and go to edit constraint, or I can click on it and right click and go to properties, and I can change anything in the properties palette.